Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for your headphones Beats Fit Pro on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to search. Click on search line and write Beats. Now search and you should install this application. Now open it. Agree, scroll down, agree, next, notification, we should enable it, and also I recommend it to go to permission and add location, allow while using app or allow all the time. Now let's return to the application, get started, don't send, next, allow. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!